Alright, here we go. It's test time. Throwing the doors up, 90 degrees. Oh shit. Well, we just went to switchblade status. Alright, you know what they say. You know what time it is. It's time to test them out going down the road. Is the door gonna come off the hinges? I doubt that. When I put them on, they stay on forever. Here we go. Alright, kids. Do not try this at home. Oh, I heard a pop. Did you hear a pop? They're stunting down the road. This could be dangerous. This could be dangerous, people. I love it. I think the wind actually might pull it though. We're just gonna go down. Oh, car's coming. Alright, there's a car coming. We're gonna have to wait, people. We're gonna have to wait. We have to come up to speed. Here we go. Alright. Doing it. 20, 25. Alright. Got cars going on the road. Don't try this at home, kids. 40 miles an hour. With the doors switchblade, baby. With the doors switchblade. Oh shit, they're getting wobbly at 50. All right, we'll close them. So we got our test subject done. So if you're riding with them doors switchblade status, don't go over 50. You know what I say. You stay tuned to that next finished product. Stunting is a habit, baby. It's a lifestyle. Even my hoopties be riding with them doors to the heavens. See ya.